Hello friends, welcome to Recipes Old and New. Today I am going to bake a basic Teatime Vanilla cake. This recipe has been handed down to my family over a few generations. To start, we need a baking tray and a butter paper sheet. First, we have to make the baking tray ready to bake the cake. For that, the baking tray to be greased properly with butter or white oil. Now, I have to cut the paper according to the size of the tray. And I am setting the paper inside the tray. Once again, grease the placed butter paper with butter or oil. Make sure you grease it properly so that the cake comes out easily from the tray after baking. Keep it aside and go for the next process. First, we will sieve 1 cup of Maida, 1 teaspoon of baking powder and a pinch of salt. Sieving helps it proper mixing and facilitates in making the cake fluffy. Keep aside. Now I am taking 50 grams of butter and 3/4 cup of powdered sugar in a bowl, and you will need to beat the ingredients, preferably with a hand beater, until a creamy texture appears. You can also use a fork if hand beater is not available. If you don't want to use butter, half cup of white oil can be used as an alternative. But of course, it tastes best with butter. Now, we will go on adding 3 eggs one by one while beating. Then we will add 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence. I will add the mixture of maida, baking powder and salt and go on mixing the batter with a spatula in cut and fold method. If batter becomes too thick, we will add 1/4 cup of milk and mix them thoroughly. Now the batter is ready to shift it to the baking tray. Tap the tray for some time to flatten the batter evenly in the tray. Optionally, you can add some dry fruits on the top. Now, I will preheat the oven at 180 degrees centigrade in convection mode. After preheating, I will put the baking tray into the oven and will put it to bake for 30 to 40 minutes. The exact time depends on the type of your oven. The timer bell is indicating that preheating at 180 degrees centigrade is over. Now the most important step, baking, and it usually takes 40 minutes in my oven. And it is done. The aroma of the cake fills up the air as soon as you open the oven. I will keep it in an open space for some time for cooling. And the cake is ready to serve. Enjoy it with a hot cup of tea or coffee and some good company of loved ones. If you like the video, do share it with your friends and family. A subscribe to our channel Recipes Old and New will be highly appreciated. Until next time, this is Recipes Old and New. Namaskar.